Hello, my beautiful people. Please watch till the end to know how I prepared this delicacy.
So for my OFE AKWU, this is going to OFE AKWU or Banga soup. The Igbos call it OFE AKWU, and I think the Yorubas call it Banga soup. So this is the main thing. This is my akwu, or you call it palm nut. Okay, this is my palm nut. You also from here you can also make your palm oil. Okay, so this is the main thing I'm going to be using. And I have my vegetable. This is garden egg leaf, and that is apoko angara. I have my stockfish and dried fish here. I have my shrimps. I have my pomo. This is my grounded onions. I always like my onions grounded, so that's why it's actually I blended it. Okay. This is my peppers. This is my crayfish. And this is my spices. So I have curry, I have mixed spices, I have my black pepper, I have my thyme, I have my ginger, salt to taste, and my obonge no. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put this to a boil. Okay, I have my beef and my beef and my chicken. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and spice it up. Just put a little bit of this. So I'll go ahead and pour my I'll go ahead and cook my akwu, and also I'll just go ahead and cook my beef. So guys, this is, you see, this is my palm fruit. Actually it's called palm fruit, not palm nuts. Palm fruit. So I'm going to take this out. Meat. So I'll go ahead and bring out the chicken. Okay, the chicken is actually very soft, so I'll go ahead and bring it out because I'm going to fry it. I'm going to fry it here. guys, my palm fruit is ready, so I'll start pounding it. Okay, so I've got this is the small mortar that I got, but I feel it has this kind of smell. I feel it has this smell in it. Okay, so I'm trying to see if I can put nylons inside. Okay, I'm trying to just find a way to do it so that I can be able to achieve what I want to achieve. Okay, so that's basically what I'm going to do. So I'll just go ahead and pour it. I'll pour as little as I can. So I'll just basically start pounding. Just the way I'm going to be doing it until I finish this. So let me see how this one looks like. So you can see the one I brought out. This is actually nice. Okay, so I'm actually done. Okay, I'm actually done pounding, so I'm going to be sieving. But you know, this can be messy. Okay, so I want to see if I will actually use my glove to sieve. I know it can be messy, but it's food that we are cooking, so some food can be messy at times. So anyhow you want to do your own, you can always do it. So I'll just go ahead and pour my water. Mix. Okay, it's already on the pot and it's already boiling. Okay, so I'm just going to add the remaining of my spices, my Maggi cube, my salt, So I'll add my crayfish. My pepper. And this is my meat stock. This is my meat stock here. So I will go ahead and also add my meat stock. So I will my onion. My stockfish, and for more, my chicken, Wow, can you see my OFE AKWU? Hey, this OFE AKWU went to Harvard, but it's already coming back. Guys, this is, OFE AKWU is already ready, you see? And the orishi-rishi, okay? Can you spot all the orishi-rishi? Guys, try and make this delicacy. It's quite nice and it tastes so yummy. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Wow, tantalizing, yummy.